Chronic kidney disease is often a challenge that affects your mental health and can have a negative impact on your mental well-being. This might be due to side effects of your kidney failure, changes in lifestyle, medication, or frequent hospital appointments and ongoing treatments. It's perfectly okay to feel scared, angry, depressed, or anxious. Just like in everyday life, you might have good days and bad days. But what is very important is that you share your feelings with others. Connect. Stay connected to your family and friends. They will help you get through tough times. Reach out to a fellow patient at your clinic or a patient association. Join a support group, virtually or in real life, or a group of people with similar interests and beliefs. Seek professional help. If you feel that you need professional support, ask a psychologist or psychiatrist for help. Depression can affect you, and it's important to know that it's treatable. Be active and recharge. Exercise, go for a walk, or just step outside to get some fresh air. Yoga, mindfulness, stretching, breathing exercises are also a good idea. And always try to make sure to rest and get a good night's sleep. But if sleeping becomes difficult, reach out to your care team for help. Think positive thoughts. Be kind to yourself and enjoy the good things. Appreciate the good moments. Focus on the things that matter to you. Try something new. Plant a flower. Do some gardening. Dance. Or discover an activity that you like that suits your physical capability and mobility. Try a new recipe. Just remember, take small steps. There is no need to hurry.